Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we are currently on the road. As you can see, it's quite early and we are headed to Holkham Hall up in North Norfolk, and we're going to be doing a road run around the estate grounds, which is going to be good fun. And you can see, or you might be able to see on the trailer behind me, one of the machines that we'll be taking. As you can see, the roads are actually quite empty at the moment. I mean, it is still before 8 o'clock in the morning, so that's probably why, but we've had to set off quite early to get to Holkham Hall, and also the event will start quite early, I think, and we've got to unload and everything. But Holkham Hall is a stately home in North Norfolk with big deer park and lots of land around it, with loads of private roads connecting everything up. So we'll be driving along those private roads, which means that our tractors don't actually need to be road registered, which is handy. That's one of the few road runs that we can do because it's on private land. So speaking of our tractors, we've brought our HT20, Bolens HT20, and the Honda powered 1962 Ride-a-matic. Now this road run is specifically for horticultural machinery, so compact tractors, garden tractors. I think last year they even had some walk behinds like Ride-a-matics and stuff like that. So there should be a good mix of machines there, but it's mainly for horticultural stuff. I think from the sounds of it, the largest possible machine that would be there is like an Alice Chalmers B or something. So relatively small machines. And we've also got a little trailer to go behind the HT20 probably to cart our stuff about in, and we've made sure to bring plenty of tow ropes because, having watched a YouTube video of last year's event, breakdowns seem to be quite frequent, so we've got plenty of tow ropes just in case we need to tow anyone. Someone needs to tow us. We have arrived and we're headed down the driveway. A bit longer than most people's driveways in this country, I think. Not too far from the coast here either. You can see in front of us, that is the Barford Atom in that trailer, and we followed a couple of other compact tractors in that pulled over further back on the driveway. So we're definitely in the right place at least. So just as we're pulling in here, you can see the passenger trailer there, but you can also see the hall down there with the lake next to it. All very scenic. Over the cattle grid we go. Nice bit of a shake for the car and the trailer, make sure everything's strapped on nicely. Nice close-up view of the hall. You can see the lake bit to the left here. Some swans. All perfectly cut lawns, of course. And we are headed around the back of the hall now. Somewhere around here will be where we park up and unload. I think that is it, because I can see quite a few trailers.
Taking a quick pause here so that everyone can catch up. The Ride-a-matic was a bit slow, but So we have everyone lined up now in front of this monument with a couple of rows full of machines. And if we look down the hill, there is the hall. We are on the way back now after quite a good day at Holkham, and I don't think you will have gotten to see too much of other people's machines unfortunately in this video, but you will have seen plenty of the Holkham estate, including all of the monuments that are around the grounds, the impressive amount of firewood that they've cut up and stacked up there, and all of the nice countryside, and the hall itself of course, and the deer, which surprisingly weren't very put off by the machines, including our Ride-a-matic, which was probably the loudest machine there, especially with small issue on the exhaust, which we may cover in a video in future. But overall, very good day, and our tractors didn't break down, which is also a positive. And I think we did a couple of hours in the morning, had some lunch, and then a bit less, maybe an hour and a half on the way back, or on the second half of the road run. So overall got a good few hours in on those machines, so it was good to give them probably the longest run they've ever had just for driving about, so that was good. And we met some new people as well, so that's always nice, and this will definitely be an event that we put in the calendar for next year as well. It's just started raining, which is good that didn't happen while we were on the road run. That was surprisingly sunny, but very windy though, so it was very cold. But we will now head back with the tractor. You can see the HT20 poking its head through there. But that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.